into the night market, guys. Is there a market around you? Yes.
Pwede naman pumasok tricycle dito. Bakit pa? Ha?
Now we got light. Through the night.
Hindi naman tayo magpa-park eh. Pwede naman pasok at sasakyan.
Oh gosh. Look at that.
Hindi ba pwede pasok at tricycle doon?
Oh my.
Ha? Hindi ba pwede pasok?
It's dark here.
Ay, di dapat doon ka nag-parking.
It's dark here. So I'm gonna turn on flash. Okay, now it's a bit dark here.
Ha? Pwede naman nata pumasok doon eh.
Flash.
Ganun.
Flash.
Ay, hindi ka ba kakadaan yan? Abay pa ko.
We got lights now, but a little bit dark here.
Ano, ikot-ikot tayo doon? Safe naman ang
Okay.
nakakita dito eh.
Guys,
Sa tingin mo?
so we are going there in the night market. We are going into the night market. Go now, Dad! This is my dad driving.
Wala tayo doon.
Okay, guys. Now we are going there.
Hindi kayo mawala rin galon?
Ba, galing ng galon.
Okay?
Alam, mabibila ng tubig yun.
Ay, lang maiwanan dyan.
Okay, guys. We are heading to the night market. We are going to the night market, guys.
Tingin tayo kung ano meron dyan. Kuya, ha?
Is this heavy or not?
Ano mo dala? Ano yung mabako dito?
Oh. Go na.
Kinuha mo eh.
Yung night market, free pumasok ng may cellphone.
Pero dito.
Ganda dito. Wow! Sand here.
Dito kami nag-jogging.
Nag-jogging. Wow.
Pagpag nyo na lang siya.
Beautiful here. Is this sand, Mom? Okay, we have now lights here. Okay. Wow, there is beautiful in here. I hope we don't fall there.
Bigay mo yung kay daddy ni para na.
Okay.
Cellphone.
This way. Okay.
Tama muna.
Na.
Mga chinelas pa eh. Oh, tingnan ko sa mga chinelas.
Wow! The night market is so cool. The night market it's so cool.
Wala pang bata. Ano mo yan?
Oh my god. Oh!
Dito inikot na. Paikot. Ay, dalhin mo na. Sige pa ba? Hindi, dalhin.
Wow, it's beautiful in here, guys.
Kada mag-video na. Mapupul memory na yun. Ito may mga inasal.
Okay, so in here, we are now in there. Yes, in there. The night market.
Play station mo. 100. Pili ka jacket ka.
Okay. Jacket. Okay.
Ayun doon, sa kabila. Doon natin may inasal. Ayun, nakikita ko na.
Wow, inasal.
Pero dito jogging pag umaga ka.
I just made a flight here to the Filipino with my Filipino family. Yo, this place is cool.
Patayin mo na yun, baka mahulog pa.
Wow. Guys, we finally made it at the night,
Dapat pa hindi umulan.
at the midnight
Pag umulan,
market. Oh my God, it's cool in here. Thanks to that little. Okay.